What are the best tactics for optimizing a new website? So there is one thing that can be said without knowing what your site is about or what you're selling, and that is any site needs promotion. It needs to be found. Otherwise, you've built a great site and hid it in a closet. And that's not beneficial. You have to actually promote it, and that can be through social media, press releases, an email program, pay-per-click, or even just good old-fashioned SEO. Now, the kinds of tactics we use to optimize a new website depends upon the site itself. Is it business to business, or is it business to consumers? Is it something that's going to be socially popular, or is it something that you can cater to more exclusive audiences? Is it a service, or is it a tangible product? All of those factors will create different tactics. However, it is crucial to design your site appropriately with SEO in mind. Too many times we see website developers create an aesthetically pleasing site, but haven't integrated any SEO into their design. This is where it would be helpful to have an expert SEO team guide you in building out your new website. What we'd recommend is reaching out to us so we can help you figure out what your site specifically needs to generate more traffic to your site. So visit us at bruceclay.com today to learn more, and we'd be happy to help.